Before we start today's recipe, here are 10 simple foods that help babies gain healthy weight simply without sugar or stress. Eggs, baby formula, sweet potatoes, avocado, cashew nut, banana, oats, coconut milk, potatoes, and yogurt. But here's the real question. Why does sweet potato appear on every weight gain list? Because it doesn't just fill the tummy, it nourishes the body. It's rich in fiber, gentle on digestion, naturally sweet, and packed with steady energy. Today, we're taking sweet potato, combining them with 3 other powerful weight gain foods to create a creamy, nutrient-dense baby meal. So let's get started. Welcome to my Cookmas Recipe 2.
I didn't plan for this baby meal to go viral in my home, but the first time I made it, something changed. The creaminess, the fullness, even the reaction from my kids. Just watch. Let me show you exactly how I made this silky feeling baby meal step by step. If you want a baby meal that is creamy, gentle, and keeps your little one full for hours, this one needs to be in your weekly routine. This meal is naturally rich and energy dense. It supports healthy weight gain, digestion, and steady energy, with no added sugar, no preservative, no nonsense added. Let's begin. Our first ingredient is sweet potatoes, and I started by peeling and chopping 2 fresh sweet potatoes. This gives the meal its natural sweetness and smooth texture. Very perfect for babies' tiny tummies. The first time I made this meal in my home, almost everyone took it. Both my toddler, my babies, and everyone in my house took it, and they were so happy about it. The meal is so nourishing, so captivating, so sweet, and very creamy. That is the reason why I love it. It went viral, it went very viral in my home, to the extent that every day they were all asking me, "Mommy, when are you going to make that creamy, nutritious porridge you made the other day?" Like, the meal is nutrient dense. After peeling the sweet potatoes, I proceeded to chop it into little chunks that will be suitable for cooking and blending. This will help the cooking process and will help to speed up the blending process. Transfer the chopped sweet potatoes into a bowl, add in some water, and then wash until the sweet potatoes comes out very clean and until the water becomes very clear. Next up is coconut. You want to use 1 whole coconut. Go ahead and crack it open and transfer the coconut water into a cup and give it to your baby to drink. It acts as an electrolyte and it helps to fuel the body. You would want to take 1 part of the coconut, shred it into little bits. Make sure that it is suitable for blending, because most times coconut usually traps in blender and makes it difficult to blend. After shredding it, you have to wash it, transfer it into a blender, and get ready to blend it. It is now time to blend. Transfer the coconut into a blender. Go in with very little water that will be enough to mix and blend the coconut, and then blend on high heat until a milky texture is achieved. When you are done blending, transfer the milk straight into a sieve and strain out all the milk. Make sure you drain out all the goodness from the coconut milk, because that is what we'll be using as our milk alternative. So you need to strain out every drop of milk from the coconut. You would want to transfer the chopped sweet potatoes into a clean pot. Go in with half cup of water, very little water, cover the pot and allow it to simmer for few minutes. After 2 minutes, open up the pot and check. Once the sweet potatoes has begun to boil or simmer, the next thing is to go in with the next ingredient, and our next wonderful ingredient is cashew nut. Here I am using 1/4 cups of cashew nut. Proceed to transfer the cashew nut into the boiling sweet potato, and then now is the time to add the coconut milk into the sweet potatoes and allow it to simmer for 1 more minute. This is to ensure that the sweet potatoes soak up the coconut milk and that the cashew nut gets absorbed into the sweet potatoes. want to allow this to cool down for some minutes before blending. Next up is our wonderful protein, and here we are using 1 whole egg. If you're feeding a baby less than 6 months, you want to consider using just the yolk, but if your baby is from 6 months and above, or you have a toddler who really wants to enjoy the goodness of the sweet potatoes, please do well to use a whole egg. Transfer the sweet potatoes into a blender, then proceed to add the boiled egg into the mixture as well. Next up, you want to add baby formula, full cream milk, breast milk, or any milk of choice into the mixture. This will help to increase the calorie count and will make the mixture to come out very creamy. Now, after adding the milk into the mixture, go ahead and blend until it is completely smooth. If your baby is above 6 months, like if your baby is from 8 months, please do well to mash this up and feed your baby. And if you have a toddler, you can also mash and feed the toddler. But if your toddler enjoys taking porridges like this, please go ahead and blend up and feed your toddler. This is so nutritious. And just like that, the creamiest, most nutritious baby meal is ready. Smooth, filling, rich in flavor, and perfect for babies from 6 months and above. If you have a toddler, a teen, or anyone who really wants to enjoy the goodness of porridges, please do well to feed this to them. This is very nutritious and can help them to put on weight very well. Would you be trying this recipe for your little one? Do let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and want more easy, healthy, and delicious recipes for your little ones, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss a recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more wholesome recipes to make for your babies. Bye!